It feels good to be safe and secure. With experience in security since 1924, ABUS is constantly developing new technical solutions that become milestones in security technology. With our latest innovation, titanium, our padlocks have become lighter but remain strong and secure. This has been proven through many tests, using the latest methods of attack, like the freeze test. For example, the tensile pulling test. With the bolt cutter test, the shackle needs to withstand specific forces. With the saw test, the shackle has to resist measured sawing time. With the torsion test, the main body of the lock is fixed and the lock shackle is twisted. With the impact test, the lock needs to withstand a specified impact. The corrosion test simulates accelerated potential corrosion of the lock. 1 day in the salt chamber is equivalent to 1 year in normal outdoor conditions. Our quality is proven by many international test institute approvals. Security and quality for a wide variety of applications. All our testing and independent approvals are summarized in the ABUS Global Protection Standard. To help choose the right security product for your application, individual features and benefits are shown via icons on the front, with additional information on the back of each pack. ABUS helps you to take home the good feeling of security.